How to access member-only videos on YouTube. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, open YouTube on your device and go to the channel where you want to access member-only videos. After you're in the channel, scroll down in the videos and you'll find some videos that are member-only. Simply click on the video that is member-only. After you've clicked on the video that is member only, you'll find this kind of screen pop up. In the video section, simply scroll down. After you scroll down in the video, you'll find join option beside subscribe. You can simply click on join, and after you click on join, you will be led to payment section. You will need to pay, then only able to access member only videos. Also, it is not available in my region, so there's no option, but you will find it here. This is how to access member only videos on YouTube. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. Thank you for watching.